I just lost power on my DS418 NAS, and I'm powering it on now. I lost power during the storage pool repair. The storage pool repair. I'm hoping that everything is going to be okay. I was at about, I think, a few percent, single digits. Let's see how far I am from now. I don't remember because I wasn't paying attention. Awesome. And went back to where it left off. So it just went right back to repairing. It didn't restart, didn't do anything. Just restarted where it left off. I am very happy about that. I wouldn't suggest losing power, but it's nice that it restarted where it left off. I mean, I'm very, very happy about that. All right, so I don't know if this will happen to everybody. I hope it happens to you. If God, if it does happen, that you just end up right back to where you started. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.